teaches us Sekai ittai heva, as we learn from the Japanese. Similarly, the Italian people express La paz e la cheve del mondo, and we, the Maharashtrians, have the perfect ideology that is हे विश्वाची माझे घर ऐसी मती जयाची स्थिर किंबहुना चराचर आपणची झाला, which means the entire universe is my home. The God resides in every particle of this universe. The one whose mind is stable on this thought belongs to God. Good morning, honorable chief guest, venerable dignitaries, respected judges, the dearest English teachers and my beloved friends. I am Apurva Madhuri Janardhan Pawar, 9th class student of Sri Girdhar Devi Vidyalaya, Karmala. Today, I am very glad to stand here because this is the stage of human welfare and this is the perfect stage to present my views about the really important topic for the peace of humanity, that is universal integrity for peace. Friends, when I saw this topic, I was really impressed how deep meaning it has. I heartily appreciate the selection of this topic and I'll try my best to present my own sentiments on not only philosophical but also important topic. While talking about peace, one come across the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda. That is, peace should not mean only the absence of war but also violence in all forms such as conflicts, social degradation, discrimination, oppression, exploitation and so on. Friends, everybody says we want peace. We try to gain inner peace, social peace, peace with nature. People even fight for peace. Fighting between individuals and countries lead the losing lives of people, communities and the world at large. But peace is the thing that can save the world from losing lives of people. I recently read Poems for Peace published by UNICEF. I want to share a few lines which I liked most. I am a child who loves peace. I have always believed in peace until I saw something on TV, something not expected at all. I saw on the screen war and destructions. I saw children sleeping in tents. They lost the embrace and protection of their parents. I cried from what I saw and went to the source of love, my father. I asked him, where did peace go? Who burned the olive branch and who killed the dove? I further asked him, what if peace was a pandemic where everyone come close to everyone to spread love? What if peace was education itself, where we learn how to make everyone happy? We need peace. With peace, we are happy, we are calm, we are smiling. With peace, we can get through any conflict. With peace, no bad dreams, no hatred. Together in one group, holding each other's hands. Let's build peace, let's make peace. Let's build peace, let's make peace. So friends, as a part of this universe, it's our duty to maintain peace. It's not enough to talk about peace, we must believe in it. And it isn't enough to believe in it, we must work at it. I always wonder, what can we do for universal integrity as a student? I think charity begins at home is the key. We can't make universal integrity on the basis of political path. We must think that we are children from same family. We are descendants from same species. Instead of all Indians are my brothers and sisters, we must say, hey Vishwachi Majhe Ghar. Let's cultivate integrity, empathy and compassion in daily life. Let the education system teach us ethics and conflict solving skills. Let the world promote equality, fairness and human rights. Let's practice cultural exchange. Let's stand for truth even when it's difficult. Let us listen to each other's stories even when they challenge our assumptions. Let us work for justice even when it requires a sacrifice. Let's march from violence to peace. Let us integrate for permanent peace and let the peace be the hallmark of humanity. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you.